Guys, so update on our Pokemon journey. So right now here are our Pokemon cards right now na on hand. So some of our Pokemon cards were already sold. So just like yung Mewtwo ko, no? So nabenta na natin siya, and currently may mga on the way pa tayo on our mga cards that we bought online. So unfortunately hindi pa siya dumadating. So right now ito yung mga cards natin. So what we did for the past few months, so naghanap ako ng mga cards for my personal collection. So just like the Rayquaza, so I have new Rayquaza cards, and also may Marshadow din tayong nakuha. So new Marshadow cards din siya. So well, to maximize the shipping fee, so I added some cards, and also for the past week, so we've opened booster pack. So what we did is nag-open tayo ng Phantasmal Flames and also Mega Evolution. So currently, here's our binder. So as you can see, same Pokemon cards pa rin naman. However, we've added one. So we've opened a total of 8. I think it's 8 booster packs. So we have 6. Actually, it's 6 Phantasmal Flames and 6 Mega Evolution. So out of the 6 Phantasmal Flames, ito lang yung nakuha nating hit. So we have Toxtricity IR. So medyo di lang tayo sinerte with our packs opening. Yan. So also some cards were sold. I think it's ito. So I have some new cards just like this Giratina, Japanese Giratina. This one, yung Team Yell Grant natin. Ito yung mga new on our hands. And then, yung ano natin, Japanese Beedrill. I think ito yung mga bago natin na nabili online. Yung Raikou natin na Japanese din. And also ito Zapdos. I think it's new din for our personal collection. Yun. Again, nagkaroon tayo ng big purchase. Actually, may nabenta tayong malaki. Actually, there's this personal collector that he bought all of our, actually not all, but most of our Pokemon cards that was illustrated by Kamiya. So ganito yung mga ano niya, design of the Pokemon cards na ginawa ni Kamiya. So some were sold. So right now here are all remaining. So we already sold our Mega DNC. Someone bought it, and also yung iba nating 25th anniversary cards. So ito na lang natitira sa akin, si Ho-Oh, kasi we have the Palkia, we have the meron pang isa na Zekrom. So it was sold. So as you can see, we have the 3 Evolution. So we bought it online then. So we have Jolteon, Vaporeon, Reverse Holo, and also yung Flareon natin Reverse Holo din. Yan. So I think, I don't know if nasama siya on my previous update. So nagkaroon tayo ng mga evolutions. Yan, as you can see, evolution, and also mga Gengars natin, and Gengar line. However, this not the, hindi siya yung Gengar line mismo. So iba-iba siya. And then, yun lang. So since we've opened Phantasmal Flames and Mega Evolution, nadagdagan lang yung mga Reverse Holos natin. Mga nadagdag siya. So nadagdagan like the Smeargle natin. I think sa Phantasmal Flames natin ito nakuha. Yung Milcery natin. So unfortunately we didn't get any hit except dun sa Toxtricity natin. So these are some of the Reverse Holo and Holo cards that we got. Ito, si Reshiram Reverse Holo. And yun lang. So I think ito na yung sa mga maganda nakuha natin. Yung Flygon natin. Yeah, and here, may mga iba pa tayong cards that we got as an additional reverse and drive holo natin. So, of course, we've got, since wala nga tayong hit na nakuha, so most of it are common cards lang. So, these are some of the common cards. So, sinort ko yung mga common cards that we got from Phantasmal Flames. So, yung mga nasa Mega Evolution kasi, dito ko na siya nilagay sa binder. So, as you can see, more on, medyo madami na itong nakuha natin na common cards from our Phantasmal Flames booster pack. So, unfortunately lang, hindi ko na videohan. So, next time, I will be buying, again, I'm going to look for booster packs. Nagkaroon lang ng difficulty when it comes buying booster packs kasi lagi siyang sold out. Actually, actually, nasa work ako, so nagkataon lang na pumunta ako dito sa mall, malapit sa amin. Then I check Toy Kingdom. Then ayun, actually Toys R Us, then ayun, nakakuha tayo ng Phantasmal Flames. So, we got lucky enough to get booster packs. Yun lang. However, puro common cards lang yung nakuha natin. So, I'm going to sell this na lang. So, magkaroon tayo ng budget for our new booster packs that we can be opening. So, next time, I promise you guys na mag-open tayo. So, videoin natin to. So, mga naging videos kasi, yung mga pag-open kasi ng pack natin is, hindi natin na videoan. So, same, still, we're opening packs din from One Piece. So, nag-open tayo ng mga packs natin for our One Piece collection. So, heroines and halo-halo. Actually, halo-halo yung yung mga ino-open nating packs Yan. So, these are the packs na nakuha natin. So, again, medyo we're not lucky when it comes in opening packs kasi even in One Piece, we don't get lucky with hits. So, the only hits that we got, I think, is, wait, asaan na yun? Ito, these three, which is si King, kalimutan ko yung name niya, part siya kasi ng sword and si Garp. And also, I have these packs din na medyo hindi na kasya sa binders natin, and I think I will be buying another binder for my One Piece card. So, ang chase card ko kasi for One Piece, that's why yung kino-collect natin is OP11 because one of my favorite character is Katakuri. So, these two, I bought it online for my personal collection. Actually, si Katakuri talaga yung chase character ko, chase card natin. So, also, I bought this online kasi again, I'm a fan of Buggy the Clown. So, ito, actually, it was sold to me naman 10 pesos each, 5 pesos each. And ito kasi mga favorite characters ko, Katakuri, Buggy, and also Caesar Crocodile. So, these are my favorite characters. So, these are the things that we bought online. Itong characters na to. Yan. So, yun lang. So, we'll see kung ano yung magiging cards na makukuha natin in the future. I hope na makapul tayo ng mga magagandang cards. And sige, I'm going to make another video regarding dong sa mga cards that will be arriving soon. So I bought it online then. Again, as I said earlier, I'm going to buy cards from my personal collection, Rayquaza, Darkrai, Marshadow, and to maximize yung shipping fee, nagdadagdag tayo. So, may mga additional cards that I added. So, I'm going to resell it. No? So, I'm just going to wait for the values na tumaas, then going to resell it. So, eto, meron tayong, actually, binigay lang siya sa akin of the purchase that I made. However, I think it's Chinese. So, si Rayquaza be Chinese siya. So, I'm still, though I love Rayquaza kasi, ang kinukulit ko lang kasi is Japanese or English. So, these ones, I'm looking for someone who's willing to have it para mabenta ko. So, yun lang. So, again, Abi-gabing updates na lang and then yeah. Wait lang. Thank you.